Listen up, world. Here it is, coming at you, low-tech style.
This is an Echoman EM150 analog delay from sometime in the early 1980s. It's made in Japan and it's basically a rebadged MELOS DE1. It looks exactly the same on the outside as a DE1, although some DE1s like the one I tested in a previous video on this channel can look a little different. As well as looking the same on the outside, a quick look inside and you can see it still says DE1. Like all the analog delays of this time, it produces crusty delays not unlike a tape delay, but it's much cheaper, smaller and easier to maintain. There's 4 controls on the front. From the left, first the volume control, then the balance. This sets the balance between the dry signal and the effect. The next control, marked repeat, sets the amount of feedback. And the final control, delay, sets the delay time. The first test is the self-oscillation test. We'll just plug in an output, turn up the feedback, and see what noise it makes on its own. Now let's check it out with a few sounds through it.
Welcome to the sun. Gonna push this further. Building from the ground. Reggae, 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 reggae. Reggae music.
If you like this video, then check out the channel. There's loads more just like this one, and many more to come. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.
Low tech style.